Also, nice background shadow there. Hadn't noticed that.
Ding!
You, again, didn't level up, kid, but I forgive you. Hey, stop spitting at me. Is this just an endless, you know, an endless stream of enemies? Seems like it. Whoops. That wasn't fully intentional. Therefore, I shall climb up. Ow. Again, ow. Again, that could have gone smoother, I must say. There's totally stuff in the background, yet I... If only I had Skippy. You guys just don't give me a chance to rest up.
Total fail.
Hey now. Kid, that's a bit rude. You know, I know I fail, but you don't have to rub it in. It's not a good sign when, you know, the playable character is talking back to the player. And not in a positive way, no. Nice, whoa. Did not see you.
Sweet.
Another 5,000. Nice. Big room of extras this. And I think there's even more upstairs. Seriously, all these guys are getting a bit much, to be honest. Right, that's on this side. Okay, I see. No, thank you. Down we go. No, 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 no. Ow. Oh! Jump in, 2 hits, dead. Great. Perfect. At least it doesn't take us too long, as in a couple of seconds to get back, so... There we go. I do not like all these lizards chasing me. Do not like it one bit. Can't actually attack up with a blade. No, the ranged attack. It's a bit of a bummer. That's creepy. Can I get to the foreground, please? Oh, perspective is going ape shit. I mean, seriously.
Yay, team!
I'm walking on the walls now. That is not right. That is not right. It is cool. It is really very cool, but what the hell? It's weird. It's mainly just weird. we go.
Nice.
Definitely, yeah, I mean, I've already got 160,000 again. I bet all these single enemies dropping 10 is also really adding up. Watch the fire. Great. Could I get up? No, I could not. Damn it! Whoa. Got a bit carried away with that jump, I think. Right, so I want to be over here. Well, that wasn't too bad. Come on! I thought that fire was going to burn me, but no. Good fire. Yeesh. You guys just... Let's just get the hell out. How about that? Yes, that seems... right. That probably wasn't the right word, but... not for that sentence, at least.
Bonus.
Nice.
Sweet.
Just gotta grab it quick and keep moving. You absolutely have to keep moving, which works really well with this game, actually, so... I think this pretty much is the game at its best. You're being pushed forward, bunch of enemies, just... not too much of a threat, but, you know, incentive to keep going. And go in a circle, clearly. No, that's a bit lame. No, don't you dare. One more attack from them and I would be dead, so... Like that. Like that. I didn't see a way to go, though. Yes. Right. I said that. Didn't see a way to go. Ow. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's only in the background. Kind of. Jeez. This is unexpected, to say the least. There's someone in the background that you just can't hit either. And once stuck, you are absolutely stuck. Was that supposed to happen? It was. This is progress? What?
Take it easy there. You had the wind taken out of you.
Feels like most of my insides went along with it.
Good thing your little friend found us. This blade, it stayed by your side.
Yeah, It does that.
Perhaps, if we may ask, might you help us? Every night our caravans are being attacked by a ghostly machine of death.
Why can't you stop it?
We've tried so many times and failed. The Solars give us no help either. Even the bounty the sheriff posted hasn't found us help.
It just did. So, do you have any idea where to find this phantom mech?
Down there, at the station. Take care against the phantom. It has dragged many men to their death down at the processing plant.
Check it out. See? Totally not a man.
I had noticed.
You hadn't? Oh, come on.
Take care against the
Yeah,
phantom.
yeah, right. You hadn't noticed. What the fuck, guy? Hidden stuff. Oh, yes. So, I don't know how we survived that encounter, but we did. Somehow. Just Skiffy found us. So, Skiffy and the old guy basically defeated all of those monsters. How the hell did they? I'm going by a lot of stuff. I can get up there. No. Just run up. Yep. That's a really neat move.
Yay, team!
Glitchy. I approve. Right. Stuff in the background, eh? How would I get there? Wow. That was quite a fall. That does not break. I like that move. I like it a lot.
Grats!
Standing on the edge. Yes. Okay, there is nothing else to jump to. Therefore, we shall run and... Well, okay, we shall not run. Well, that was a leap of faith if I ever saw one. Ezio and Altair would be proud. Well, that was a simple 2000. Am I missing something? Must be. Up here? Seems like it.
Hola!
Shh!
Okay. What are you doing?
Me? Oh, I'm doing some research into a new breed of skiffs.
Really? Like my little buddy here?
Somewhat. Except this breed can fly.
They can all fly. You know those little flight glands on their backs? Flight plus glands equals flying.
These don't have flight glands. They have wings.
You mean they're birds?
That's what the others think. I intend to prove them wrong. I just need to find enough of them for a good sample size.
And how's that working out? Found many?
I found a total of... well, none. Say, you don't think you could help me? Just keep an eye out for them.
I guess I could. It seems to be the right day to help people. How many more do you need?
Oh, 20 should do nicely.
Yes, nicely.
So he's the guy that wants him, right? So they actually give a reason for, you know, that. 3 out of 20. That's where that comes from. Who wants the data packs, though? I don't remember.
I hope you've had better luck than